I think it all went back to last summer when we did the downhill series. It was just based off a conversation, see what we could do for this year, and we were able to pull something off. Well, for me personally, it's just been a huge step up to be able to have the platform to do this. Basically, everyone's here just to figure this out. We just wanted to have courses open, the courses to be challenging and not dialed down because they are adaptive riders. I think we've really nailed that. You know, everything's been, in my mind, just been super successful. What's happening is really setting a stage for something a lot bigger next year.
We're up at Fernie Alpine Resort. We're up here, we got a lap in this morning, and we're kind of at our second lap for the day of practice with my tail gunner, Ozzy. What's up? You! Hope to see you guys next year out here, man. It's beautiful.
Looking good. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling pretty good. I'm pretty excited to be here. Everyone's pretty hyped up, so I'm really excited about that.
Nice. Training went well?
Training went really well. I mean, I've been on the bike for a month and I think everything's pretty good to go, so.
Sweet. I think you're gonna crush it. Have fun out there. Landon, how you doing, buddy?
I'm doing great. The Big W was great. First bike race back after the last one didn't end so well. And yeah, we celebrated with some sodas, that's for sure.
How did it feel to be racing again?
It felt amazing to be racing again. It's something I've wanted to return to. And then now we just got this equipment that allows us to be competitive and really shred. It's not like a, you know, you don't get a participant award. You really got to be on your A game, and you know, if you're not going to be winning. So that's really cool.
Oh yeah, riding in style.
Yeah, I'm excited. Didn't get a solid finish on the first one in Fernie, so I'm excited to yeah, hopefully get a finish for here at Pano and maybe take a dub.
So you calling it?
I'd like to.
Going for the W.
I'd like to, yeah, it'd be nice.